Alright, y'all, welcome back with another video. Alright, now this type of video is not going to be the same type of videos and vibe we're doing today. We are going to be discussing the fakes and the reals. Yeah, get that off. No. Cut. Can we cut this? No? Alright. What is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. That was just a little joke. Alright. Today we're gonna be discussing Hero Bride. You heard me. Hero Bride. Hero Bride. Whatever. His name is so stupid. Alright, y'all. We're gonna be discussing about Hero Bride. Now, I hate this dude, bro. I hate this dude. Like, literally, I do not like Hero Bride. Every time I hear this name, I literally want to punch myself into the wall, guys. I do not like Hero Bride. And he doesn't like me. So who cares? We both hate each other. Obviously, if you guys play Minecraft, I'm just talking about a game. Alright, yeah. You adults are boring. But yeah, I'm not talking about a real life person. I'm talking about a game. I got to think. So yeah, Hero Bride. I mentioned daily checkup video, Hero Mine. If you you actually crack that case, like you're a god, bro. Cause literally you cracked the case, like Hero Mine, Hero Bride. What else could go with it? So that was just a little tease for my next video. It is April 5th. I don't know, because I'm filming this in March. I filmed like 3 videos already. See, you literally can see I'm wearing the same shirt. I'm filming this in March 13th. If I get that wrong, I am so stupid. But yeah. Hero Bride is literally in my world. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. No, he's lying. Hero Bride ain't real, bro. What is this dude talking about? He's fake. What are you talking about? He's real. Boo! Boo! This guy stinks, bro. He gotta get out, bro. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? That might be you guys right now. But trust me, Hero Bride is actually in my world. Like, literally. He broke my torch. I don't have no footage, okay? I know I don't have no footage. What else do you want from me? I do not have footage, okay? I cannot show you the proof. But I'm just saying, I swear on the whole Jesus Christ, God, planet, heaven, I don't know, and I don't know. So, I swear on the whole universe, Hero Bride's actually in my world. Now, this was like a long time ago. This was back in February. Okay, hold on. Alright, so yeah, this was back in February. Here I broke my torch while I was mining some coal. Some guy joined named Slimed Nathan. Was that his name? Yeah, but he's awesome because he joined my world because I was hosting a world on Omelet. Go check it out. Well, yeah, I was actually hosting a world on Omelet, and this guy in Slimed Nathan, he was actually my friend. He encouraged me to do a lot of things. So yeah, I told him Hero Bride's in my role. He said, "What are you talking about, dude? Hero Bride isn't real, bro. What are you talking about? Hero Bride is actually in my world." I told him that like 3 times. How much times did I say Hero Bride, guys? Literally, I said